Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Beatbox video series. In today's video, we are going to be taking a look at Dog We've Had meme coin. In particular, I will be giving you guys an update on a trade setup that was given to you live on stream a couple weeks ago, as you can see in the following clips.
Because this could be a potential 3 rising valleys pattern. So first low, second low, and then the third low here. But if we get this third low confirmation, maybe we drop a little bit down here even. As long as we don't take out this low, then the pattern will be still valid. How the conditions are right now, I don't expect this low to be taken out. I expect this pattern to play out to the upside. And you have your measure move target for your 3 rising valleys is from the lowest low to the breakout from the neckline. So it's like an 88%, I think. The risk to reward around 6.9 or so. So that will be the TA trade if the measure move of the setup is hit. If the technical target of this setup is hit, we would see WIF trading at $7.
So as we just saw, the WIF token has an accumulation pattern of 3 rising valleys, which consist of 3 consecutive higher lows and a higher high on the second low regarding to the high of the first low, and has a measured target that goes from the depth of the first low all the way up to the neckline or the breakout line, which is the high of the second low. On the video we just saw, that measure move consists of an 88% target above the neckline for WIF once it breaks out. So that will give you an estimate target for WIF all the way up to almost $7, which is a 90% away from this breakout trend line. As we also mentioned on stream, we entered this long setup from lower than here. But why do you think it could still be worth it? Because if you entered long here, you would set your stop loss at the lower end of the third low, which is roughly 27% away. And you would set your take profit on the measure move of the pattern, which is at $7 roughly. So that gives you a 1-to-4 risk to reward ratio, which is worth considering. And if you wanted more bull market extreme targets, you can always use the Fibonacci tool and check the 1.618 at $6.6, the 2.618 at $9.6, the 3.618 at $12.5, and the 4.236 at $14.3, which could be a mad euphoria or extreme trade for WIF. But the measure move of the setup right now, as we just saw, it's around $7. So I think it's still worth it. And you could be thinking, hey, Pitbox, why is WIF a better long than Pepe? Since Pepe has been outperforming the whole market for 2 weeks. And it's basically because if you wanted to go long here on Pepe, you don't have much of an invalidation setup where to put your stop loss. You're just too expanded to the upside. So you wouldn't know where to invalidate. I'm not saying WIF is going to have more upside than Pepe. I don't know which one's going to have more upside. I just know that WIF has an invalidation that's closer to Pepe here, because you could put in another higher low anywhere above here, basically around this area, on the long setup could still be valid for Pepe. Not the same for WIF, since if we go back to WIF and you lose this third low, all of your bullish trade setup gets invalidated and you can just cut out the long setup. So that's why I think the WIF long right now, it's a superior long to Pepe if you wanted to get in now. We're just 9 to 10% away from the breakout trend line, and once we break out this trend line, then the pattern will be confirmed, and we will start to look for the full measure move target, which is around $7. So that's the update I wanted to give you guys on WIF. It's looking really good. It's looking prime for continuation. You just have the RSI trading at around 58 points, which is getting closer to the bullish control zone, which is at 60 points. From then, I think WIF will start its run all the way up to $7. If you enjoyed this content and you enjoyed the stream and the videos that I produce, please like, give me a comment, and subscribe to my channel, because it does wonders with the algorithm. And that's going to be it for me today, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next time.